Hey, I'm Taryn, Coach T. Taryn, like Karen, but with a T, so just a little differently for those of you who don't know me. And are you guilty? I mean, flat out dog guilty of putting your company name all over the place on your social media, in your bio, on your profile, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Are you guilty? If so, you want to stay tuned for this entire video because I'm going to go over some scenarios and tell you why that is ruining, destroying your brand, which is you. You are the brand. So stay tuned for this entire video. We're going to talk about that right after this intro. Hey, what's going on? Great Monday to you. It's your girl, Coach T. Taryn, like Karen, but with a T, spelled just a little differently for those of you who don't know me. Hit the like button on this video. Let's get it to 100 likes and make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon because I want to make sure that I'm giving you tips to help you grow your network marketing business so that you can be a little bit more smarter, do the things that's actually going to work. So you are the brand. You are the brand. What if I told you that people don't actually buy what you do? They're not actually buying your product or your service. What they're doing is buying into you. You are the brand. Now, we've all heard the phrase, right? Why buy the cow when you can get that milk for free? Now, imagine this. I met my wife. We meet my wife. I met her 6 years ago. She walks up to me. She says, "Hey, I think you're really attractive and I would like to go out with you. But let me tell you just a little bit about myself to see if you want to go out with me." Okay, I'm not that punctual. I may be late to things. I may mix or bleach your whites. They may turn pink. I like to watch a lot of TV and I don't cook that well. And also I burn chocolate chip cookies. Would you like to go out with me? I'd back up. I'd be like, oh, heck no. No, you're telling me that you may bleach some of my whites and they're going to be pink? You're telling me that you burn my favorite chocolate chip cookies? You're not a punctual person, huh? And you watch a lot of TV. No, I don't think I want to go out with you. You see, she would have given me all that information to allow me to make a decision right then and there, giving me an option to say, no, I don't even want to get to know you because you've told me too much. That is exactly what you're doing when you're putting your company name in your bio, in your posts. All right. That is what you're doing. And what Ray Higdon says, network marketing trainer. Okay. And I tag you in some of his lives and things. He says what they're going to do is take that company name and pop it right into Brother Google and come up with stuff. Imagine if your person your lead goes ahead and takes the company name and just goes ahead and types it in Google. What are they going to find? Are they going to find that your company is the best company on planet Earth and that it's puppies and roses and cupcakes and whipped cream and peaches and honey and all that great jazz? Are they going to find that? And even if they do, find all these great things. Awesome, wonderful, you should do it, phenomenal, excellent, perfect. And at the very bottom, that one last thing that they see, they hurt. That company hurts people. That one thing is going to change their opinion. Although they may have seen 15 positive things about your company, that one negative thing is going to shape their mind and they're not going to want to join. So when you reach back out and you're saying, hey, why isn't this person reaching out to me? You've given them all of the cow. They don't have to go. They don't want the cow because you've given them so much. You see what I'm saying? So you need to be the filter. You need to be the middleman and guide your person where they want to go and control what they're seeing. And this isn't to say that you don't want to say what your company is because it's a bad company. No, in network marketing, people run the company. And do you think that all people are good people? I like to think that people want to be good, but unfortunately, in network marketing, we ruin it. From the bad things that we do, from the spam things that we do, putting our link all over the place, telling them the company name, saying, oh, this is the best thing since sliced bread and all this extra hype, which people don't care about. People care about you. You are the brand. So who are you? Tell me that. What do you do? What impact do you want to bring to society? And why should I care about you? Why should I want to join? What's in it for me? I hate the what's the with 'em mentality, the what's in it for me mentality. If people come at me and they say, I need this, I'm probably never going to message them back because they have that what's in it for me mentality. What about me? What can I get? So that's how you want to think and that is how you want to operate. What is in it for my lead and for my prospect? How can I solve a problem for them today? How can I help them? because I'm not helping them by putting my company name all over the damn place. It's just not working. All right, so if this video was helpful for you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. All right, click the links in the description box below. Connect with me on Facebook, add me as a friend, and we can get connected. I really want to help you understand network marketing, and the things that you do are stopping you from getting those sales, are stopping you from making the connections, and you're wondering why you're not able to move people to the next step, the next process. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive notification each and every time that I upload and you don't miss a new tip for you. All right. So have a beast day. Coach T out. Peace. Oh, so if you have been putting your company name all over the place, let me tell you what you want to do, something that Ray Higdon suggested. Go back 48 hours and just delete, hide them, set it to just only you can see it and take it down. All right.